In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a URL in WordPress. Whether you're looking to streamline your site, improve navigation, or simply manage old links, understanding how to effectively redirect URLs is a crucial part of maintaining a clean digital space. Unfortunately, it's a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the option to do so on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on login. It's important to have your credentials handy, but if you're like many of us who love convenience, you'll be pleased to know that WordPress offers the option to continue your login process with Google. So click on continue with Google. If you have multiple Google accounts, select the one linked to your WordPress site by choosing it from the list that appears. This will take you straight to your WordPress dashboard without the need for additional passwords. Once you're in, look to the right side of the dashboard. You should see a section labeled quick links. Under this section, select edit site. This will direct you to the editor interface where you can make the various changes or additions you need for your site. Now find the plus icon, which allows you to add new content blocks to your page. Clicking this icon will open up a panel of different block options. We're interested in the one labeled embed. Start typing the word embed in the search bar and it will appear as an option. This feature is perfect for when you want to incorporate external content seamlessly into your WordPress page. After selecting embed, you will be prompted to enter the URL that you want to embed. It's a simple box where you can paste or type in the URL that you wish to redirect or display on your site. This tool not only directs users to desired destinations, but also enriches your web page by providing direct access to external content. Remember, embedded content can range from full web pages to specific pieces of media such as videos or social media posts, offering a wide array of possibilities for enhancing your website's functionality and user experience. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to navigate and execute URL redirects on WordPress. With just a few clicks, you've opened up a new realm of possibilities for managing your website's links efficiently. Keeping your site well organized and easy to navigate is key to ensuring that your visitors have a positive experience. Now you can apply these skills to maintain and improve your digital content effortlessly.